You talk about him like he's the world, like no one else comes close. And I just sit here beside you, playing cool, but you don't know. You don't notice how I watch you when you're caught up in his name. You smile like you found heaven, while I just fade away. I laugh at all your stories, even when they break me down. Cause being near you like this still beats not having you around. I know you're holding on to him, and there's no space left for me. But I'd rather hurt in silence than never let you see. You love him, don't you? It's written all over your face, the way you light up every time he takes your place. And I say he's lucky, though it's tearing me in two. Cause you love him and I love you. You don't even see the way I look when you talk like he's the one, and I nod like I'm not dying when I know I've come undone. You cry about how he's distant, and I listen like a fool, giving you advice while breaking every rule. You say it doesn't get you, but you still stay every time. And I'd give the world to have you, but I just toe the line. You love him, don't you? It's in every word you say. I hear it in your voice when his name won't go away. And I smile from through the heartache like there's nothing I can do. Cause you love him and I love you. Maybe in some other life where timing wasn't wrong, you'd look at me the way I do, like I've known you all along. But here we are, and it's still true. You love him, and I can't have you. So I'll be the guy who's always near, even when it kills me too. And I'll hide it